Flight attendants, please be seated for takeoff.
Now we request your full attention to flight attendants to demonstrate the safety features on board this aircraft. With the seatbelts and illuminates, you must fasten your seatbelt, insert the metal fittings one into the other, and tighten by pulling on the...
This is your captain from the flight deck. We have reached our cruising altitude. The flight attendant should start their in-flight service shortly. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.